French-based company that develops large-scale additive manufacturing machines that are made for serial production of large polymer and composite parts. The access, as a French company, it's very important for us to have a market validation or industry validation from the local ecosystem if we want to access the Swiss or German industry, for example. Very easy. The whole program was very well programmed, and the organization was very clear and very fine. Yeah. Everything that comes after the participation in the challenge, pitching was great and so on, but now is the great part. It's all the marketing support that you do for us. For sure. We already done it, so yeah, we 100% recommend it. Yeah.